Hi, I'm Ari, the IFBB Indonesian Bikini Fitness Champion. I'll run through with you the best possible way to make any type of sportswear. Sport is my passion. I've been in training and coaching for 7 years now, and I know how to make sure your styles not only fit and look good, but are also well made and are squat proof that will handle any type of regime. You will need to inform me which market you're targeting: fitness, yoga, Pilates, or general everyday casual attire, often referred to as athleisure. We offer a professional starter pack designed with startups or rolling brands who want to see and feel our high-quality production, made using Vita Italian recycled power fabric with super compression and cool to wear due to its moisture-wicking properties. Inside the pack, you will find all the main fabric that we use imported from Carvico as swatches, as well as various colour cards showing all the colours you can order. We add biodegradable packaging and some branded jacquard that shouts out your brand name. Great for under the bust or waistband, much like Nike and Lululemon do. This is the best way to get started in any collection. It's very cost effective when you think about how many thousands of dollars it could save you with the wrong choice. I require your images front and back with the detailed information and your fabric choices noted. Once you start production, I will need your logo so we can brand your heat press. I will handle all aspects of sampling from the first day till your collection is ready to be sent via DHL to your door. I may need to call you, and anytime you're welcome to come visit the factory. Once you're ready for production, I make sure all your notes and tech packs are sent to cutting, where you'll be handled by Miss Novi in production. If you want the highest quality possible, then you are in the right place. What I do here, I love it. It's my passion, and I'm always here to help with a call or a chat on WhatsApp.